So I just posted some videos and my chest started getting pulsed. And you just saw that high EMF reading there. There you go. So that's around my heart, chest area, shoulder. So this shoulder is tagged. So the tag right there. That's the spot that's continuously hit all day today. There, right there. That's the spot that's tagged. So in my heart and chest area, the power is turned up. So that's because I just posted a video talking about this. So there is a woman outside and a man that makes comments as I post the videos, and the constant comment is you're not supposed to tweet this and you're not supposed to talk about it, verbalize about it, and so the power is increased when I do that, which is what you just saw. My head is being pulsed, saw that there. My eyes, saw that huge number there. That was my eyes. So I posted a song that Rihanna sang. That's my left eye being pulsed all day, actually, on and off. Sometimes high power, sometimes low power, but the eye is burning. That's how I know it's tagged. So I posted a Rihanna song. Um, that Russian Relay, I believe. If you go on YouTube and you video and you Googled it, you'd find that. And my interpretation, my take on the song is it's about sadomasochism. And one of the lines in that song was, "You can see my heartbeat." And she's in a studio and she's been recorded, and they're playing a Russian relay with her life, basically. And in the flashes, that's in her head. So the flashes are occurring in her head, maybe nightmares, maybe being put there remotely. Um, these scenes are of getting killed, basically run over by a car, drowning, getting shot underwater. These are nightmares, and there are flashes of Satan in between. So there's a satanic undertone in this whole thing, which is part of the MK Ultra program. Really, it's satanic based. So she's in the studio and she's being terrorized by this game, playing Russian relay with her life. And while that is going on, she's getting these flashes in her head of these nightmarish scenes, and being killed. And she has to pass the test. And she's terrorized, but she will not leave. Well, if she's dreaming and she's having a nightmare, then she cannot leave. But the song is saying that she will not leave. She's choosing not to leave. So she's choosing to be terrorized, implying that she's liking it, or maybe she's being programmed to like it. But what was interesting in that whole thing was the line that you can see my heartbeat, you can see through me, you can see my heartbeat. So I was reading that in some satanic practices, remote technologies are used, like this that I just demonstrated, to pulse people's heart. And while they do that, and the genitals, and while you do that, you can pulse images into your head and make the two linked, make the two triggers link to each other, and then use that to piggyback on to program another layer on top of it. It's a form of mind control. So I just demonstrated my heart being tagged. I am a target. So I'm just going to leave that there. I'm just, I'm just throwing that out, for the people out there with an open mind and inquiring mind. Um, Go and Google some other songs in pop culture. Um, Lady Gaga, Madonna, um, and whoever else. I don't necessarily follow them. I'm not in their league. I'm not elite enough. Okay, let's stop there. Talk to you another time. Hopefully, there is another time. Talk to you another time.